and get to those boards and start on your warm-up, okay? So what is 6 plus 7?
13.
13. So is 13, how would you read that? Today I had students start with a warm-up that kind of refreshed their memory about the inequalities. Explain it to me, what's a drawbridge? I also had students draw a drawbridge because that helped with the lesson today with conceptually understanding the triangle sides. If they were not to meet, if they were to be too big, they would create that triangle, or if they were equal, they would make that perfect layer.
Help me understand that by seeing how it works and what inequality for a triangle would look like. And then if it wasn't a triangle, what it also would look like.
We learned about inequalities and got a hands-on experience on how to work with them.
So the students using the manipulatives are able to really conceptually understand what's happening. And what you're going to do is you're going to try and form triangles using the colors that I am giving you. Them actually, instead of just writing down on a paper or understanding the inequality rule, having them actually have those manipulatives, have those angle legs, and having them clip them on, and having them actually see that those angle legs are actually never going to meet and they cannot form that triangle. If I'm actually having students create that triangle, then that's going to better help their understanding of the concept we were trying to meet here, which is of having the students understand those three sides the two shorter sides need to be greater than the longest side. I saw everyone say that yes, this does form a triangle. I saw lots of awesome triangles out there.
I really liked it because he went step by step to explain it to me to really make sure that I understood.
You see here how that's equal? Is that going to form a triangle? No, that's just going to be two straight lines on top of each other. Each student in this classroom is at a different place in their learning. Where's the three sides? So being able to go around and talk with each student and seeing where they're at and do they need a little bit more support? What if you do the purple one? Or are they on board, they're getting it, and they can easily, fluently tell me what is happening in the lesson is really important for me to be able to either help challenge them or help support them.
I would say that Mr. Christner is a really good teacher.
Are 14 and 12 your two shortest sides? My teaching style is definitely getting the kids to work together, working in groups. I always have my desks in groups.
That our group members can help us if we need help, and then that we can help them if they want us to.
I love them having discussions, having conversations. I like kids to tell me the rule through a discovery. Like, I don't want to stand up there and take notes and give them the rule and tell them this is how it works. I would rather have them discover, because that's when they really internalize it.
I think Mr. Christner is a great teacher. He explains things to the students.
Yeah, this math lab is just really all about creating engaging classrooms and making things almost like a lab, like an experiment, like having the kids do the learning and not having the teachers be the centerpiece of the learning, and having the tools be the center of the learning, and having those students be the ones that are leading their learning. So right now in your groups, I want you guys discussing and then writing down in your own words. And the teacher is just simply a guide there, creating questions or asking some insightful questions to ask the students to help them with their thinking. Did that form a triangle? When did it not form a triangle? If you notice throughout the lesson, I wasn't doing too much standing up at the board teaching at all. If anything, I was just kind of doing some guiding to make sure that they were on the right path. Really have those students be open to learning. So try number 6 about a new concept. Excellent job today, working hard, okay? A lot of great conversations. Excellent job with the activity.